Alright guys, what is up? Today we're gonna talk about what I will do differently after 8 years of lifting weights. I'm Gymaholic by the way, and let's go. Today we are gonna talk about the mistakes I made, which means sticking to a plan, maxing out, mind-muscle connection, and controlling the movement. So stick to our plan. I used to change my plans a lot, my workout plans. Like every month probably. And yeah man, don't change your workout plan every month. You can't get stronger or build muscle in the long term, because you're switching up the movements a lot, and that means that you don't have enough time to really focus on one movement, get stronger on that one before you move on to the next movement. You can't follow your numbers week by week. Example, the squat, bench, and deadlift, And yeah, man, switch up workout plan every 3 to 12 months plus, 3 to 12 months plus, but it depends. Some workout plans take 12 weeks, which is, for example, a powerlifting plan. I just recently made a video about that. If you want to watch it, go out to my channel. And yeah, you shouldn't switch up your workout plan every month. Some workout plans are designed to be ready, finished in 12 weeks. And yeah, maxing out too much. I maxed out too often. I risked injuries, which set me back a lot, I couldn't get stronger and I always felt like shit. So that's because, for example, on squats, I used to squat very deep all the time. Still do, because I just like squatting deep, which means full range of motion gang. But doing that and maxing out all the time made it so that now I have knee pain, My knees fucked, which means I'm not able to max out too often. So, and neither should you, Your health is more important than just some numbers. Mind-muscle connection. I made a more in-depth video on it. You can also check that out. It's basically using your mind to understand your muscles contracting. I didn't even know what it was at first, only after about 2+ years I understood how important a mind-muscle connection was. If you want to know how to do it and how to understand mind-muscle connection and other stuff like that, watch my other video, man. I already made a video on that. And then controlling the movement, which means don't swing those weights around like using momentum, for them heavier weights. Is just a higher risk of injury, and the momentum swinging around just means you're feeding your ego. Just slow down the movement. If you want to build some muscle, that's very important, If you just want to move some heavy numbers, then by all means just do that. But then you got a higher risk of injury. Alright man, that's it. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Comment questions on what other videos you want me to do. If any of this was informational for you, you know what to do, man. Just slap the like button, make it disappear, and yeah man, that's it. See you.